friends, it's Joan at 10 Pentacles Tarot, and today I'm going to review for you the Gentle Thrills Tarot by Isa Beniston. Now, this is not a new deck, but it's new to me. This is the first time I'd seen it. I found it at Barnes & Noble. So let's take a look at it. It comes in a two-piece box, up top and bottom. The top of the box looks like that. The underside. It's published by Hay House. And on the back it says, "Commune with the universe. The Gentle Thrills Tarot is a tool to connect both outward to the universe and inward to your intuition with its weird, wondrous, and whimsical messages." Rooted in traditional tarot archetypes, this deck offers bold and fresh artwork in saturated color to catch the attention of the modern tarot reader. The simple, beginner-friendly guidebook includes 2 words for each card meaning, one for uprights and one for reversals, as well as the astrological and elemental correlations. All right, and in the US, it's $29.99. In Canada, $39.99. All right, so let's take a look. Well, that's not too easy to get off. It's not too easy to get the lid off. Holy cow. What in the world? Go on, go on. Well, that's not a deal breaker, but it is weird. All right, here we go. Thank you. Woo! All right, and that is what the inside looks like. Very interesting, nice, bright artwork. And this is what the inside edges of the box look like. Also very cool. So let's take a look at the guidebook. So it's a soft cover book, and it says, Isa Beniston is an artist living and working in Los Angeles, California. Since 2015, she's been doing business as the creatrix behind Gentle Thrills, the moniker of a retail line of novelty goods inspired by her collecting. In 2020, as the world went into lockdown and uncertainty loomed, she cut cards out of paper and began what would become the first draft of the Gentle Thrills Tarot on her dining room table. So that's interesting. And it's copyright 2020 and again in 2022. And let's see. All right, so we have the title page, table of contents, introduction about the tarot, readings. There are many ways to approach your reading, including how you shuffle your cards and which spread you choose to use. So it talks about that. It gives you a 3-card spread example. Then there's a guide star spread that looks like this. Then it talks about the major arcana and begins with the Fool. So there is 1 card for each page. Again, it has an upright meaning, beginnings, and a reversed meaning, recklessness. So that's very simple. There we go. And then it goes like that all the way through. The World card. And then we have the minor arcana. So Wands is creativity. It's by Blooms. Cups is emotion. Swords is intellect. Pentacles is wellness. And it talks about the Suit of Wands. Okay, the Suit of Wands addresses spirituality, personality, and creativity, sometimes called rods, batons, or clubs. This deck uses the term wands and represents the wands as flowers. Okay, and it goes on. And then we have the Suit of Cups. And then we have Swords and Pentacles. All right, and then that, let's see about the author illustrator, Isa Beniston. And we have publisher information. And now there's a little blurb here. A playful retail line of drawings you can wear, small batch home decor, and happy paper goods at Gentle Thrills. All right, and that's Isa Beniston's company. All right, let's look at the cards. So the inside of the box looks like that, the same as the cover. Now these cards are fairly large, and you know what, let me grab one of my trusty Radiant Rider weight cards to compare the size, because these look bigger actually than the box made them appear, at least to me. So let's compare the size here. Okay, so it's quite a bit. It's probably a good 3/4 of an inch wider and about 1/4 of an inch longer than the Rider weight cards. All right, that's just an FYI. So the back of the cards looks like this. Very nice, bright, cheerful, and it's fairly heavy cardstock. They are glossy cards, and that is what they look like. So let's take a look at the cards, and then we'll do a simple reading at the end so that you can see, you know, how the book's written. We know how the book's written. There's one word for reversed and one word for upright, but we'll do it anyway. All right, so Major Arcana, we have the Fool. And we have, for each Major Arcana, there's a number at the top, and there is the title written on it as well. All right, the Magician, the High Priestess, the Empress, excuse me, the Emperor, the Hierophant, the Lovers, the Chariot, Strength, the Hermit, the Wheel of Fortune, Justice, the Traitor. That's interesting. Number 12, the Traitor. Number 13, Death. 14, Temperance. 15, the Devil. 16, the Tower. 17, the Star. 18, the Moon. 19, the Sun. 20, Judgment. And 21, the World. Now, I would say the imagery is based, for the Major Arcana, is based loosely on the Rider-Waite Smith imagery. Now, the Minor Arcana are pip cards, so they're not really illustrated fully, but they do have nice paintings with the number of items on them. So, if you want fully illustrated Minor Arcana, this is probably not the deck for you, but it's so interesting and vibrant. I just really like it a lot. Okay, Suit of Wands. We have Ace of Wands, 2 of Wands, and again, remember they are blooms. 3 of Wands, 4 of Wands, 5 of Wands, 6 of Wands, 7 of Wands, 8 of Wands, 9 of Wands, 10 of Wands, Princess of Wands, so instead of page they have a princess, Knight of Wands, Queen of Wands, and King of Wands. All right, now the Suit of Cups. We have Ace of Cups, 2 of Cups, 3 of Cups, 4 of Cups, 5 of Cups. Now really there is a bit of, there is a little hint to the Rider-Waite imagery in here, because in the Five of Cups we have 3 spilled cups, 2 upright cups. So, there is a bit of hinting about it. 6 of Cups, 7 of Cups, and there's the choices again. 8 of Cups, 9 of Cups, and 10 of Cups. And then we have the Princess of Cups, the Knight of Cups, the Queen of Cups, and the King of Cups. Now we have the Suit of Swords, the Ace of Swords, 2 of Swords, 3 of Swords, and there's the 3 of Swords, a heart pierced with 3 swords, 4 of Swords, 5 of Swords. So these really are somewhat illustrated. 6 of Swords, 7 of Swords, 8 of Swords, and she's blindfolded, 9 of Swords, 10 of Swords, Princess of Swords, Knight of Swords, Queen of Swords, and King of Swords. Okay, we have Ace of Pentacles, 2 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles. Princess of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles. All right, so let's see how they shuffle. Okay. All right, they're a little bit hard for me to get my fingers around for a riffle, but let's see what we can do. They don't stick together. They do shuffle nicely. All right, so let's try sideways riffle. Wow. Yeah, they're actually really nice. They shuffle very well, don't stick together at all, not even slightly. All right, so let's do a short 1-card reading. Spirit, what? That's an entire suit almost. Spirit, what does the universe want us to think about right now? What does the universe want the viewer to think about right now? There it is, the Judgment card reversed. All right, so let's put that up so you can see it a little better. And let's look at the book. Judgment is number 20, so that may be a number for you to pay attention to, 20 or 2. And let's see. So for Judgment, the reverse word is doubt. The upright word is evaluation, and the reversed meaning is doubt. If I were to expand on that, I would say you may be filled with doubt right now about something, and you may be either doubting yourself or doubting someone else or doubting something that's going on in your life. But what I would recommend, what you would want to do is to do some examination either of yourself, do an examination of the situation, examine, exactly what your thoughts are and feelings if it's another person. So when in doubt, often examination, close examination, paying attention to details, that is often the key to make your doubt go away. All right. All right, folks, that is my review of The Gentle Thrills Tarot by Isa Beniston. If you enjoyed this review, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. It's completely free for you and it really helps me out a lot. I want to let you know that I appreciate you being here with me right now. I appreciate you more than you'll ever know. I hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever it is where you are. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.